And so with Story Experiential, we defined 8 steps to get you to that final deliverable. At each step, you submit your work for notes from users. For example, the first step in this program is to come up with a what-if statement for a film idea, which is a single sentence and an image for what your story might be. And of course, we provide the learning content you'd expect, always from professionals. But most important, below the deliverable is a submission button where users upload their work in progress into a gallery. Now, before accessing a gallery, we have a key mechanic, which is users must give feedback to 3 or 4 other projects to unlock the gallery and continue. Once they do this, the gallery opens up and users can see all of the other user work in the program that is being created alongside them. And this is where we encourage users to continue to explore, because we see not only motivation, but also users helping each other with technology, their stories, their concepts, just an amazing amount of peer-to-peer learning. This is also what makes the program so sticky. And this pattern continues. And at every step, you're going through this feedback and iteration cycle with the community. The last piece we then added, of course, was a live stream feature where pros continuously check in on the entire user base and take questions and live chat from the audience along the way. This completes with a public exhibition we run 3 times a year, where users upload their work, vote on each other's projects, and every single user ends with a final page to feature their work. This makes it real, and it also provides a critical deadline users need to finish.